If you are looking for a way to transform a standard chicken breast into something restaurant quality, the secret isn't just the spices, it is the science of the seal. We're starting with a fresh, clean chicken breast. Go ahead and slide it right into your vacuum seal bag. Make sure it's laying flat so the surface area is ready to absorb everything we're about to add. Now let's talk flavor. Whether you're using a dry rub, fresh herbs, or a splash of oil, this is the moment to be generous. Sprinkle your seasoning directly into the bag. Today we're looking for a total coverage. Once the ingredients are in, don't just let them sit there. Use your hands to massage the bag carefully. You want to work those spices into the meat, ensuring the marinade is tucked into every fold and fiber. This manual mixing ensures that once the air is gone, no part of the chicken is left seasoned unevenly. Now we move to the sealer. Align the edge of your bag perfectly into the machine. As the vacuum starts, watch closely. You'll see the plastic tighten and the air vanish. This isn't just for preservation, the vacuum pressure actually helps open up the pores of the chicken, essentially pulling the marinade into the center of the meat. Wait for the heat strip to finish the job. That final sizzle creates an airtight, leak-proof barrier. There's no mess, no smell in the fridge, and most importantly, no wasted flavor. Your chicken is now perfectly prepped. Take this over to the fridge and let it rest. By the time you're ready to cook, the marinade will have penetrated deep into the meat, giving you a result that's incredibly juicy and packed with flavor. Simple, clean, and professional.